In this video, we will show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. First things first, open up the CapCut app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on New Project. Next, select the video that contains the background noise you want to remove. After choosing your clip, tap Add to import it into your project. Now that your video is loaded into the timeline, tap on it to access more editing options. Swipe left on the options at the bottom until you find Extract Audio. Tap on this option. This step separates audio from your video clip so that adjustments can be made easily. Once you've extracted audio, tap on this new audio layer in your timeline. Again, swipe left through these options at the bottom until you see Reduce Noise. Tap on it to proceed. You'll see a switch next to Reduce Noise. Toggle this switch on. After enabling this option, don't forget to tap on the checkmark located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This confirms all changes made. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.